Identifying Hongshan artifacts, the fifth type of tool mark, shallow relief. Today, I would like to share and discuss with everyone the fifth type of tool mark found in Hongshan artifacts, shallow relief. This type of mark is characterized by carvings on the surface of jade, thin as if printed. Even more amazing, these patterns remain smooth and are not affected by surface patina or mineralization. This is the astonishing fifth tool mark, shallow relief. As the name suggests, shallow relief is a mysterious and now lost prehistoric carving technique. It was most commonly found on serpentine jade artifacts from Xiuyan in Liaoning province. Traditional jade carvings use raised or recessed relief, or techniques like incised carving. However, what makes Hongshan's shallow relief unique is its ability to embed characters or totems just beneath the jade's surface, resulting in smooth, flush designs that do not absorb patina. This type of shallow relief can also be found in the jade items associated with royal authority from the Sangxingdui culture. Let me first bring up a familiar piece, the Basha dynasty jade inkstone. This inkstone, carved from Xiuyan serpentine jade, is covered in distinctive sugar-white patina spots, making it a textbook example for studying this type of surface alteration. Previously, I noticed that some moderators on certain Chinese forums, like Ren Nanhong site, lacked any real understanding of this kind of patina, let alone how it formed. All they could say was, fake. Not real. They went so far as to teach a so-called 12-character appraisal method, which merely focused on judging surface skin, polish, crystal transformation, patina color, and spiritual charm, etc. This oversimplified 12-character method can't even identify 1/10 of real jade artifacts. Why? Because they don't understand the 12 types of prehistoric tool marks of the Hongshan culture recognized by our Huaxia Hongshan Cultural Research Association. And when they see jade artifacts with sugar-white patina spots, they immediately label them fake without any reasonable explanation. How do you judge surface skin or polish on glass meteorite jade? How do you see crystal transformation or patina on such rare materials? Only when we apply the work within work method from our association's studies can we build confidence in collecting and researching such rare pieces. So if one insists on using old-fashioned criteria, how can you possibly identify a glass meteorite jade artifact? These materials simply don't have conventional signs like crystal shifts, surface skin, or patina layering. Many people therefore miss out on invaluable prehistoric Hongshan artifacts with high research value. Think of a bathroom with a glass shower screen. If you leave water droplets on it after each shower and never wipe it dry, over time, you'll see stubborn dot-shaped stains on the glass, extremely hard to clean. In the same way, in sealed royal tombs with humid environments, water droplets can form. These droplets, containing trace amounts of natural carbonic acid in the air, seep into the jade's surface over long periods. Once water droplets are absorbed into jade, they create a type of permanent discoloration called sugar-white patina spots. These dots are formed by moisture and cannot be replicated. Therefore, once you understand how sugar-white patina spots are formed, you'll know they cannot be faked. Especially on serpentine jade artifacts from Xiuyan, this feature is frequently observed. A few years ago, China cracked its largest Hongshan artifact smuggling case, recovering 1,168 cultural relics including Hongshan royal artifacts with sugar-white patina spots. How can one judge all Hongshan artifacts by small jade burial items from commoner tombs in Chifeng? The dry Inner Mongolian climate is completely different from the humid and seasonal Liaoning environment. When the Cultural Relics Bureau displayed these large royal artifacts with sugar-white patina spots to the public, it left so-called experts speechless. Having now explained the significance and formation of sugar-white patina spots, let us return to that jade inkstone. This piece displays such patina, yet the circular patterns and dragon motif on it are remarkably smooth, without any raised or recessed feeling. No matter how you look at it, the patterns appear as if formed beneath the jade's surface and they are unaffected by the patina. Recently, several of our members have found jade artifacts with this same shallow relief technique in their early collections of waxy cultural jade from China, further validating our theory. Examples of shallow relief artifacts include, shallow relief ram head scepter, shallow relief aristocratic figure, shallow relief pipe, shallow relief wine vessel, shallow relief Xiuyan statue, shallow relief medicine grinder, shallow relief pixie beast. Some have asked, could these shallow designs have been etched using chemical solutions? The answer is, absolutely not. If chemical etching were used, the designs would sink into the surface unevenly and become rough, not remain smooth. Although shallow relief is a lost art, I've discovered that descendants of the Hongshan people once preserved this technique and used it to carve jade for emperors and nobles. This lineage of jade carvers survived until the Qianlong period of the Qing dynasty, after which the skill of shallow relief vanished from the historical record. Thank you all for joining and sharing.